One of the trends that we've seen that's a little concerning from a security point of view or as a security professional is many of these devices are being built without a lot of concern for security on the front end. There's a lot of pressure to get devices to market quickly and build exciting new functionality, which is really important and great. But to be successful in the long term, it's really going to be critical to build in end-to-end security in the Internet of Things. And that includes security from the cloud all the way down to even the smallest devices. So securing all the gateways that feed data back up to the cloud, as well as the endpoints. One of the other considerations that is really important in the Internet of Things and with these small devices is rather than treating them as just nodes on the network that are, as traditional embedded devices have been, is making them into fully managed, authenticated, and trusted devices on the network, treating them more like IT assets than traditional embedded devices. And Icon Labs as a company is focused on providing the technology to do that for even the smallest of these devices. Icon Labs has been building embedded software for over 20 years and have partnered with many of the major real-time operating system companies and hardware platform vendors in this space. So we provide a solution that works cross-platform and as well as with the integration back to the management system, and are certified partners with Intel Security, the McAfee group within Intel, as well as RTOS vendors such as Wind River, Green Hill Software, Lynx Software, and Mentor Graphics. It does seem to be coming top-down, where many of the large OEMs are really starting to look at and take action on adding security into their devices. And I think once that tier of manufacturer starts to build security, and that we'll see smaller and broader adoption of security within that market space. But it's also something where we've seen some of the U.S. Security mandates starting to take effect. We've had large OEMs tell us that the U.S. Department of Homeland Security has knocked on their door and said that look, you guys are building control systems that go into pharmaceutical manufacturing and controlling sewage systems and the power grid and other critical components of the national infrastructure, and they don't have enough security, and you need to start changing that. So there's pressure coming from that direction, as well as I think just a general recognition in the market that security is no longer an optional capability and needs to be addressed systematically.